house project, designed to accommodate a couple and their 3 children, is a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Situated on a 620 square meters plot within a gated community, the architects meticulously planned the layout to ensure that the mandatory setbacks were seamlessly integrated with social spaces. This careful planning resulted in a home where each element serves a purpose, contributing to the overall flow and harmony of the living environment. The longitudinal block design for the private areas provided a clear starting point, allowing the layout to take shape naturally. The lateral walls of the house were replaced with expansive windows, bringing the garden inside and extending the living spaces outdoors. This design choice blurs the boundaries between indoor and outdoor environments, creating a sense of openness and continuity throughout the home. The lower height standard compared to surrounding buildings enhances this feeling of openness, with a single plain slab creating an uninterrupted ceiling sequence for those moving through the areas. This design not only promotes visual permeability but also allows natural light to flood the spaces, enhancing the connection to the natural surroundings. In this home, the family engages in an integrated dynamic, with each member actively participating in music, visual arts, and gastronomy. These activities often occur simultaneously, necessitating a permeable social environment that encourages communal interaction. The design of the house reflects this need, creating spaces where these practices can blend effortlessly. The social area encompasses nearly the entire functional program of the house, featuring an office/studio and a living room that doubles as a music room. A clearing with a jabuticaba tree connects these spaces to the adjoining kitchen and barbecue area, which seamlessly transitions to the backyard where the pool and TV rooms are located. The materiality of the house is defined by natural elements and pure surfaces, which subtly interact with the architecture of the space. The use of natural materials creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the clean, simple lines of the design ensure a sense of modernity and sophistication. This thoughtful combination of materials and design elements results in a home that is both functional and beautiful, providing a perfect setting for the family's dynamic lifestyle. The house stands as a testament to the idea that careful planning and thoughtful design can create a living environment that enhances the lives of its inhabitants.